Hey, a little different than usual. Short video update. I'm Jelle Pol, business leader at Dusk Network. And I've been getting a few questions about the CBDC committee that we're part of. So I thought I'd run it by you like this. Basically, for context, in April 2020, the Dutch Central Bank published a occasional study where they revealed a positive stance on digital currencies, and they expressed their desire to pioneer CBDC, central bank digital currencies, for the Eurozone. And the paper expresses a series of design choices, one of which is basically the complexity spectrum of the CBDC. Basically, how simple should the implementation be? Should it be full bells and whistles, smart contracting suite, or maybe somewhere in between? And to start to answer this question, the Dutch Central Bank entered a dialogue with the CBDC committee formed by the leading Dutch blockchain ecosystem consortia, which I'm part of on behalf of Dusk Network. And it's in the same capacity that I've joined this working group, and we've led a round of market consultation to bring relevant DLT parties in the Netherlands and Europe to the table to give insights on the topic. That roundtable session where we presented these insights was held on July 13th. Featured us leading the presentation and the Dutch Blockchain Coalition facilitating the meeting. And we also offered the floor to several specific use cases. And this session was already briefly reported out on in a recent publication. Since that session, we've had some concrete follow-up. And going forward, it's also been deemed beneficial to deep dive into the most relevant technical design choices and combine it with effectively picking a sector for a relevant test case. Outcomes will be communicated typically as publications by the Dutch Blockchain Coalition, maybe ourselves, and 2 tokens. And will be on a milestone basis, not really on a per meeting basis, but when there's big progress, you'll hear from us. I kind of want to leave it there for now. Hopefully that gives a little bit of context into how the effort's been progressing and where stuff is at now. Let us know if the format works, and we might do it again.